Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chittaranjan Mondal. In this video, I am going to discuss discrete probability distribution. I am choose this one problem. The distribution function f of x of a random variable x or random variable x is defined as f of x equals to a when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 and b x belongs to semi-closed interval minus 1 to 0 in this interval and c for this interval, d for this interval, where a, b are constant, that is unknown to us. Determine the values of a, b, c, d, and it is given that p of x equals to 0 equals to 1 by 6 and probability of x strictly greater than 1 is 2 by 3. So how to calculate, find the values? First of all, solution. We know the properties of the distribution function. F of minus infinity is 0 and f of infinity is 1. So using these two properties, f of minus infinity is 0. So in this case, f of minus infinity is 0, we can write probability of okay, so forget about this. Minus infinity is 0. So in this case f of x equals to a, so we can say a equals to 0. Again, f of infinity is 1, so that is d, in this case infinity, so d is 1. Now it is given probability of x equals to 0 equals to 1 by 6, and we know the properties of the jump distribution, jump continuity in a probability distribution function, that is corresponding fx, f of 0 minus limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. f0, in this case f0 is c, corresponding this value c, so c minus, and this limiting value 0 minus, that is left side of a, left side of 0. In this case, this is b, left side x value minus 1 to 0, that is 0 minus means left side value of x of a variable, that is c minus b. Again, probability of x infinity to minus infinity, what we can write in this case, because this is given another condition, this one, we can write probability of x less than equals to 1 minus infinity plus probability of x greater less than infinity. We can write this in this case, and this one in this case less than equals to 1, this is c, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, and 1 belongs to 0 to 2, 1 between lies between 0 to 2. So in this case c equals, this is probability value c plus and this means x strictly greater than, and probability of x strictly greater than is 2 by 3, so 2 by 3, and this value, this is 1, this is minus infinity to infinity, this is 1, so therefore we can write c equals to 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. And from this equation c minus b equals to 6, if we replace this value of c, so that is 1 by 6, 1 by 3 minus b, that is from here b equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, that is 1 by 6. So therefore the values of a, b, c, d A equals to 0, B equals to 1 by 6, C equals to 1 by 3, and D equals to 1. This is our solution and this is our requirement. Thank you.